Hello, everybody. Ralph Mahalik Jr., the low payment king here at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. And I'd like to invite you to come see us so we can satisfy you with all your automotive needs in sales, service, parts, and body shop. Please come see the low payment kings at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. Please come see Brian Young, Dave Spillman, Nick Mahalik, Glenda Cotton, Ray Casonas, Mark Ballard. So many of our team members have been with us working here for a decade, 2 decades, and some up to 3 decades, satisfying you over the years and want to serve you again here throughout 2025 and 2026. As we're about to celebrate our 60th anniversary of the Low Payment Kings here at the Monroe Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram Superstore. We're very, very proud and excited for that. Save the date. Please join us May 26th, the day after Memorial Day, for our big celebration. But please, count on us to help you with all your automotive needs. Again, it's sales, service, parts and body shop, new and used car sales, cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs, Mopar parts, maintenance, repairs, recalls, rental cars, courtesy vehicles, body shop, collision center. We got it all here at the Monroe Superstore, and we want to satisfy you soon. Please come see us. Thank you very much.